This isn't fireworks. It's a swarm of AI drones flying without a pilot. Each one thinks for itself. Together, they dodge trees, avoid crashes, and move like a living organism. They're trained in virtual worlds using trial and error, just like how we learn. If one fails, the others adapt instantly. No instructions, no panic. From lighting up concerts to finding people after disasters, this swarm tech could save lives. No GPS, no joystick, just AI and instinct. These drones aren't following orders, they're following each other.